Hello everyone, welcome back with the second speed test. A Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, June 5th, 2022. I've already done one speed test, Sudoku Light, 46, 45, so this will be 46, double 46, alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, so should be a hard one. 24 should be a hard one, because for 24 printed digits, if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in additional, it's a 4 stars. And for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this Sudoku Heavy. Alright, let's get started. 1 minute already passed. 6 here, 6, okay. Let me scan. 7 3 1 1 3 7 okay. 1 2 3 1 is missing. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 9. 1 1 6 6 6 6 here 6, so there 6. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, the first 6. All right, 1 2 3 4 4 4 4. 5 is also missing. 5 and the 7. The 7 we have here. There's 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. Cannot continue with the 7. 5 and the 4 and the 5. Let me mark these. 4 5 5 9 9. The 2. How about these two? 1 2 3 4 and 9. I'm missing 4 and 9. 1 1 1. The 2 is missing, and 3 3 3 1 and 8. 1 and 8. 6 3 3 3 8. Come on, the difficult part. 1 and a 9 we have here, the up here. 1 2 3 4 8 8 8 8 8 1 7 7. Come on. 4. Thinking. 7 7 7 7 7. Yeah. 8 9. Come on. 8 8. No. 8 1 and 8 and 9. 8 1 and a 9. 8. Oh, of course. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 1 box for the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. 1 box for the 1 2 the 9. 9 9 9. Okay. 9 9 9 9 9 9 Okay, come on. 2. 6, 8, 7, 8, 7. So the 9 should be there. 3. Of course, the 3. Missed the 3. 3. All the 3s, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 7, 8. 8 and the 1. I'm thinking. 1, 1. Should be the 1, 1, 1, 1. The 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 7, 3, 7. Of course, 7. 7. Now I have all the 7s. 2. Don't have the 2 here. 7, 3, 6. The 9. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 5. Yeah. 2, 4, 5. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 8. 4 and a 5. 5, the 4, and the 5. 5 here. 2 and the 2 and the 2 and the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Okay. 2, 2, 8, 8. 4 could be everywhere. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 1. 1, 9, 1, 9, 2. 1, 9, 2, 1. 1, 9, 2. 1, 9, 2. Come on. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9. How about the 5? 5, 5. Okay. 5, 7, 3, 6. 5, 5. 2 and a 5. We have a pair. So 8, 1, 4, 9. 8, 9, 4, 1. 1, 9, 8, 8. Oh, here the 8. 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We have a pair here. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 5. 1, 9. Okay. Also 1, 9. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. 2, 5. 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. 5, 5, 5. 5. 5. Come on. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 9, 2. 1, 9, 2. 1, 9. We have the 3s, the 6. How about the 8s? 8s. 8s we have here 888, 88, 55, 6. How about a 4, 4, 4, 4, 4? Here also 4, 4. I'm stuck. 1, 1, 1. Here we have 1. Okay. So 1, 1. So this should be the one. Okay. So 4 and a 4, 5, 2, 2, 4, 5. 2 cannot be here. 2, so there should be the 2. So the 4 and the 5. This should be the 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. 1, the 2, 2, 2. 3, the 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. This should be the 5. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. The 9, 9, 2, 5. 2, 5, 4. Give me 2, 2. 2, 2. 8, 8. 4 could be everywhere. 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. 4, 5. Come on. 1, 9, 1, 9. How about this 1? No. 1, 1. 2, 5. No. We have a 5 here. So here can be a 5. Here can be 5. This should be the 5. Alright. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here. This should be the 4. This should be at the 2. So the 4 and the 8. 4, 9, 2. 4, 9, 2. 9, 2. So this should be a 4. This should be a 5. 5, 5, 5. 4, 4, 4. This should be an 8. 9 and a 2. We have a 2 there. This should be the 9. 2 numbers left. 5. The 1 and the 2. Can here be the 2? No, the 2 should be there. Yeah. Here should be the 1. So the 4 and the 9 are left. This should be the 4 and the 9, 9, 9. Yes. This should be a 1. This should be a 9. This should be a 1. 2 and a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 2. 1 and a 9. 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. This should be a 8 and a 9. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5, 5. 8 and a 1. We have a 1 there. 8. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there. There. 4, 9. Here 9. And there should be an 8. Yes. 40 minutes. Wow. 40 minutes. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Alright, without any mistakes. But we have solved this again. And I'm 24 printed digits. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Won't be a speed test because only those 2 puzzles in the first Friday of the month I will do a speed test. So the other puzzles in the additional I will give instructions. Alright, until then, bye bye for now.